Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and with my brand new phone, I wanted to make sure that I protected the screen because that's why I had to replace the last one. So this screen protector from Zagg is such a great addition. The one thing I really love about it is how clear it is. So I can see all of the colors on my screen without any problems. It's not cloudy or doesn't affect my viewing of my screen in any way. I love that it's so easy to clean off. So I get fingerprints on my screen all the time. And with just a wipe of anything, really, any cloth or even my sweater, you can see that it comes out nice and clear and gets all the fingerprints off. So that's one thing that I really love about this screen protector above other screen protectors I've had before. It was really easy to install and the directions were super easy to follow. The screen on this phone goes all the way to the edges, and I love that the protector does not hinder in any way the viewing of the screen. The number one reason I've had to replace my phones in the past has always been because I've dropped it and cracked my screen. So this Zagg screen protector is really protecting my investment. I think you want to protect yours too, and that's my point of view.